Good morning, ma'am. I'm Jen Leo Malicedo from BSHM2E. And ang topic po natin ngayon, 3 strategies in product scheduling. So, first po, high utilization rate. Ito po yung pagmamaximize ng paggamit ng mga machines and equipment po. Kasama na rin po rito yung maintenance of this equipment to avoid delays of the production po, ma'am. So next po is high-level customer service. This is like communicating with customers po, using their data from pre-orders and forecast to give them update po. This is also where the ability to adjust po to any changes in customers' demand. We'll give the high-level customer service po. We have to update them about the status of their orders and any potential delays po to build trust and satisfaction po from the customers. So next po is low level of inventory. Ito po yung pag-minimize naman po ng mga stock to avoid storage cost po. JIT inventory. JIT inventory means just in time. We just need to align the production po with actual needs to reduce excessive inventory po. That's all po, ma'am. Thank you po.